Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to teach conditional clause or if clause. Conditional is a type of sentence that is made up of if clause in the subordinating clause and a main clause, which means result. Okay, the sentence usually starts with if or when or unless. Conditional clause or if clause is divided into four parts: type 0, type 1, type 2, and type 3. Now let us discuss the type 0 or 0 conditional. Here, the definition of this type is it refers to situations that are always true or possible or scientific. So the structure of this zero conditional is if plus simple present plus simple present. Second one simple present and main clause also. So example, if it rains the ground gets wet. If you heat ice it melts. So let's move to conditional one. It means possible condition in future. And the structure is if clause plus simple present plus future simple, or you can use shall, will, can, may, might, etc. Examples: if I see you, in the first type if clause we can use simple present, and in main clause I will tell you secret. It can be written also, I will tell you a secret if I see you tomorrow. Always note that we should not use will or won't in if clause. So, if clause negative one is unless. Unless I am busy tonight, I will watch a movie. Okay. So, this is nothing but a possible condition in present or future. Here in main clause you can use also can, may, might, must, should or could plus V1 or bare infinitive. And in if clause present tense you can use simple present or continuous or perfect continuous. So if you run fast you can catch the bus. If it rains you may carry an umbrella with you. These are the examples of type 1. Now let's move to conditional clause type 2. They are used to express an imaginary or improbable situation which is unlikely happen in present or future. They are also used to give advice. Or you can say in short, less possible condition in present, but structure is a past. If clause plus past simple or past continuous. And in main clause you can use would, could or might plus V1 or bare infinitive. If I won $1,000,000, I could stop working. It is impossible condition in future or present. So let's move to type 2's one more same structure, but I or he or she after you can use were. This is nothing but unreal condition in present, or you can say imaginary condition in present. So structure is also same e plus past simple or past continuous. In main clause would, could, might are plus V1 or bare infinitive. If Ahmad were taller, he could be a basketball player. If I were a bird, I would fly. If Afnan were here, she would tell us what to do. If I were a doctor, what would you do? So, where is used? You should not use was. So, this is just a conditional of type 2's imaginary condition. In type 2, there are two definitions. One is improbable condition or less possible, and one more is imaginary or unreal condition. Now let's move to third conditional. It refers to past. It explains an impossible situation, or you can say unfulfilled condition in past. Okay, if you had started early, you would have caught the bus. It means you did not start early in the past, so you missed the bus. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. That means I did not study hard, so I failed. Now, so they are used to express imaginary situations which are contrary to facts in the past, or you can say in short, unfulfilled condition in past. So they are also used to express regrets or criticisms. So structure is nothing but if clause plus past perfect or past perfect continuous. Past perfect means had plus V3, or past perfect continuous had been plus V1 ing. And in main clause you can use would, could, might plus have plus V3 or past participle. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the exam. That means she did not study hard, so she did not pass the exam. If she had been acting foolishly, he would not have been punished. So these are the certain examples of type 3. Some more examples. If I had been more careful, I would not have made such a big mistake. It means you were not careful, so you did some such mistakes. If she had called earlier, I would have told her about the meeting. That means she did not call me earlier, so I did not tell her about the meeting. These are the certain characteristics of type 3. Now let's move to some questions and we'll discuss the answer. If you leave ice in the sun, it dash. So it is scientific truth. So we can use here present tense. So here answer melt and melts are there. As it is as it is it, so we can write melts. If you leave ice in the sun, it melts. Okay. If I have time, it means possible condition in future. If I have time, I'll come. Possible condition in future. So this one. If I had the time, it means hard time. Means simple past structure is given. It means less possible condition in present. It is type 2. If I had time, in main clause you can write would or could or might. So answer is C. Okay. If I had known, it is given here. It is given here had plus V3, or it is given unfulfilled condition in past. If it is past perfect, we can write would have or could have plus V3. So answer is C. I would have come. Okay. If dash I dash the answer, I would tell you. I would plus V1. So let us discuss the type 2. Type 2 means V2. So I knew the answer. If you dash too many of those sweets, you will be sick. So it is possible condition in future. So we can write present V1 structure. If you eat too many of those sweets, you will be sick. If dash harder, I could have become a doctor. As it is given, I could have become a doctor. And it is unfulfilled condition in past. We can start here. I had studied. If I had studied harder, I'd means I had. So thank you for watching this video.